Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, today we are going to learn margin question answer as well as English workshop of the poem Invictus. It is from higher level English 9th standard. But before watching this video, as usual, I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. The name of the topic is 2.1 Invictus. It is a poem written by William Ernest Henley. Let's see one of the warming up activities, and that is guess what the following symbolize and match the pairs. In column A, words are a tall mountain, 2. a dark night, 3. a rose, 4. sunrise, 5. a flying bird, and 6. thunder. In column B, and words are A. beauty, B. freedom, C. deep distress, D. anger, E. strength or firmness, and F. hope. Let's see its answer. A tall mountain means symbolize strength and firmness. A dark night symbolize deep distress. Next, a rose symbolize beauty. Next, sunrise symbolize hope. Next, a flying bird symbolize freedom. And last one, thunder, it symbolize anger. Now let's see margin question and its answers. Question number 1. What is the poet thankful for? Answer. The poet is thankful for his unconquerable soul. Next question. Which lines shows that the poet has suffered his hardship bravely? Answer. The lines that show that the poet has suffered his hardship bravely are 1. I thank whatever God may be for my unconquerable soul. Next, in the frail clutch of circumstance, I have neither winced nor cried aloud under the bludgeoning of chance. My head is bloody, but unbowed. Next question. What is meant by the place of wrath and fears? Answer. The place of wrath and tears means the place of anger and sadness, that is, the world where we live. Next question. What does the poet have full control over? Answer. The poet has full control over his fate, his soul, and his life. Let's see English workshop of this poem. 1. Choose the correct option. A. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole of pole. And options are 1. There is a pit between two poles which you cannot see at night. Next, I am in a pit that is covered with a black sheet. 3. The circumstances are as bad as they can be with nothing to hope for from any corner. And the answer is the circumstances are as bad as they can be with nothing to hope for from any corner. Next sentence. B. In the frail clutch of circumstance, I have not winced, not cried aloud. And the options are 1. I fell down and cried aloud. 2. I have not expressed my grief even when I had to suffer great pains. 3. I freed myself from a difficult situation and cried. And the answer is I have not expressed my grief even when I had to suffer great pain. Next sentence. See, under the bludgeoning of chance, my head is bloody. And options are 1. I have suffered many setbacks and losses for which there was no reason. 2. I got hurt due to my own faults. 3. My enemies hit me till I started bleeding. And the answer is I have suffered many setbacks and losses for which there was no reason. Next sentence D. And at the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. And the options are 1. My enemies threaten me but cannot find me. 2. A great bully found me once but shall not find me in future. 3. Even though I am growing old, I am not and shall not be afraid. And the answer is even though I am growing old, I am not and shall not be afraid. Next sentence E. How charged with punishment the scroll? And options are the scroll is very expensive. 2. I may have to pay for many of my mistakes. 3. I have to pay money as punishment. And the answer is I may have to pay for many of my mistakes. Next sentence F. I am the master of my fate. And the options are I take responsibility for everything that happens in my life. 2. My fate is my master. 3. I am the master of this world. And the answer is I take responsibility for everything that happens in my life. Next sentence G. I am the captain of my soul. And the options are 1. I am the captain of a team. 2. My soul is the captain of my team. 3. My actions are the result of my own feelings. And the answer is my actions are the result of my own feelings. Question number 2. Write the rhyme scheme of the poem. And the answer is the rhyme scheme is A B A B, then C D C D, E F E F, and G H G H. Friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you a good day. Thank you very much.